this clip, we'll slice the leeks.
So first you want to cut just the very end of the root off of the bulb. And then from there, cutting about 3 inches off of the leaves. So you still have just a small part of the leaf left on the top, and then peeling the outer layer of the leaf off. So you're getting into that inner part of the leek. Now we'll slice it in half, just right down the middle, and then from here slicing it in half so that we can wash on the insides, because usually there tends to be dirt buildup right on the insides of the leaves. Now I'll rinse the leeks. So just making sure that the outermost parts of the leek don't have any dirt left in them. Rinsing them well. I'll thinly slice the leeks now. The leek is in the same family as the onion and the garlic. So I've cut about 2 quarts of leeks. That comes to 8 cups or so.